Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Alice and today I want to show you how I challenge myself to cook this that I've been inspired from an online game named Chore of Neverland. Some of you guys must be already know this game, especially if you ever play Harvest Moon or maybe you are a farming games lover. Yeah, I've been playing this game around 6 months and I can say I get a little addicted because this game has a good quality animation, looks cute in detail and interesting enough. Moreover, the cooking menus here all look so delicious and delightful. And finally, I decided to choose one menu in this game named Chicken Burrito, which is known as a Mexican food. So before we start, let's get the ingredients. Be right back. First, we need to wash all the vegetables. Wash well the chicken fillets. Squeeze lemon juice about 2 tablespoons. Marinate the chicken with pepper, salt, and lemon juice. Leave it aside for a while. While wetting the spice soak into the chicken, thinly slice the cabbage. In here, I use purple cabbage. If you don't have it, you can use white cabbage. It's optional. Cut the tomatoes into small cubes. Cut a quarter onion into small cubes. In here, I use purple onion and it's optional too. Thinly slice the curly lettuce. Tear some Romanian lettuce leaves. Grated the cheddar cheese. Cut chicken fillets into small cubes. Now, we start making salad. Mix well the lettuce, tomatoes, cabbage, and mayonnaise. Leave it aside. Now, we start to cook the chickens. Turn on the stove over the medium heat. Melt the butter in the heated pan. Saute the onions until it's golden brown. Stir fry the marinated chicken. Add black pepper sauce seasoning. Cook until done. Leave it aside. Prepare the flour burrito. In here, I use ready-to-eat flour burrito. You can find it in any fresh market. Arrange the lettuce horizontally in the top half of burrito, leaving a 1.5 inch border on all sides, except the top side. Continue with stuff the salad and the chicken. Add grated cheddar cheese. Fold the bottom edge of burrito snugly over the filling, tuck in the sides, and roll up tightly. Here is it, our chicken burrito. Remember, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Or if you have any requests for my next cooking challenge video, please leave the comment below. Let me know. Bye bye. See you in my next video.